Hello and greetings. This is Teresa Conway, and I'm in Meridian, Idaho, and today is going to just be a very quick demonstration on a tip for cutting ribbon. So when you cut ribbon, the point is that you need a good pair of scissors. So let's go ahead and share my desktop. And right here you can see I've got a bag of some retired ribbon, Stampin' Up! Retired ribbon, and then 3 pairs of scissors. This pair of scissors right here is my go-to for ribbon cutting. And I will show you why. So actually right here, I cut a piece of twine first. Okay, so let's look at that. We're gonna start with the snips. Watch me try to cut this. Oh no, that's a disaster. I mean, if I keep trying, I can cut it, but I don't think I'm going to want that ragged edge. That wouldn't be good. So let's try our next pair of scissors. These are the bumblebee scissors. That's better. That would work. And then my go-to, which I purchased off of Amazon, these are Fiskars scissors. I don't know if I say that right. It slices like butter. Okay, so that's the twine. Let's take a piece of ruffled, beautiful ruffled ribbon. Let's start with the snips. Oh no, that's not going to work. Yeah, I don't want that kind of edge for my ribbon. Let's try the bumblebee scissors. That's not much better. Now let's try our Fiskars. Now this is a pretty wide piece of ribbon, so I might even try to, never tried this before. See, it does real good. Let's try it this way. Yeah, so this is operator issue for this one. Sorry, put it where you can see it. But let's see if I try holding it down so that I don't shake as much. And that's not bad at all. Okay, that's the wide ribbon. Let's take a look at some thick ribbon. We'll try the black scissors first. Nope, that doesn't work. Bumblebee. Not bad. Fiskars. Nice. Just chops right through it. That's perfect. Perfect cut every time. That's a beautiful cut. So Fiskars win. If you would like a pair of these, and I highly recommend that you do, I bought these off of Amazon. I've had them for quite a while. And they do come with a cover, just like the bumblebee scissors come with a cover. So these are for ribbon. I don't use these for anything else. These are for cutting paper. For fussy cutting, I'm sorry. And these are for other uses, like cutting cardstock. If I've got something that's got some adhesive on it or something, I'm not worried about cutting it with the snips. So that is my personal view on ribbon cutting scissors. and the types of scissors that I have and use for my card making pleasure. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I'm still trying to get 100 subscribers so I can get a personalized URL. And that's going very slow, but as usual, I'm going to say that I am trying to build more content to hopefully get some algorithms going and possibly get some more audience, more of an audience, and see where we can go with that. So thanks for your time today, and we will see you again next time.